How do you monitor delta in a delta-neutral portfolio? Are you curious about how to keep your delta-neutral portfolio in check? Monitoring delta is a vital part of maintaining that balance. Let's break it down into manageable steps. First off, delta measures how much an option's price changes when the price of the underlying asset changes. Call options have positive deltas, while put options have negative deltas. The underlying asset itself has a delta of 1 if you are long and -1 if you are short. Next, you need to track the delta of each position in your portfolio. This means calculating the delta for every option and underlying asset you own. You can do this by multiplying the size of each position by its delta. For example, if you have 10 call options with a delta of 0.5, your total delta contribution from that position would be 5. Once you have the individual deltas, it's time to calculate the total portfolio delta. You do this by summing up all the individual deltas. The goal here is to get this total as close to 0 as possible. A total delta near 0 indicates that your portfolio is delta neutral, meaning it should not be significantly affected by small price changes in the underlying assets. Keep an eye on market conditions as well. Changes in market volatility, time decay, and interest rates can all impact the delta of your positions. This means you need to stay informed about market movements and adjust your strategy accordingly. If you notice that your total portfolio delta is moving away from 0, it's time to make adjustments. You can do this by buying or selling options or the underlying assets. For instance, if your portfolio delta becomes positive, you might want to sell some of your underlying assets or buy put options to bring it back to neutrality. Another effective approach is to use rebalancing strategies. You can choose between static or dynamic rebalancing. Static hedging involves making periodic adjustments based on fixed ratios, while dynamic hedging requires continuous adjustments based on real-time market movements. Lastly, technology can be your best friend in monitoring delta. Many trading platforms offer tools that provide real-time data and can automate some aspects of delta management. This can save you time and help you stay on top of your portfolio's delta status. By following these steps, you can effectively monitor delta in your delta-neutral portfolio. This will help you minimize directional risk and focus on other important aspects of your trading strategy.